Dry vacuum machine. Machine inspection. Open the lid of the machine. Check whether the dust bag is clean. After checking, fix the dust bag properly in the machine. Switch on the machine. Check the suction and switch off the machine. Wind the cable properly and take the machine. Finally, enter the details and sign in the register. Other requirements. Take a carpet spotting kit which consists of water spray bottle, spotting cloth, tissue paper, nylon scrubber, spotting chemicals like POG, gum remover and rust cleaner. Personal protective equipment to be worn while vacuuming are dust control mask, rubber hand gloves and gum boots. Process of vacuuming. Before vacuuming, pick up any pieces of papers, clips, pins and sharp objects visible on the floor. Doing so helps prevent damage to the dust bag. Fix the vacuum cleaner pipe to the intake port. Attach the corner cleaning nozzle, that is, crevices nozzle. Switch on the machine. First clean all the corners. Clean all corners of the room properly as shown here. After cleaning the corners, remove crevices nozzle and attach upholstery nozzle. Clean the seat and backrest of all chairs. Clean curtains and window blinds. You can also clean keyboard and computers using upholstery nozzle. Once the furniture and upholsteries are cleaned, push the movable furniture away. Attach vacuum head or universal nozzle to the pipe and clean the floor properly. Removing stain or gum from the carpet or floor. After vacuuming, if chewing gum is spotted on the carpet, spray an appropriate chemical and use a nylon scrubber from outwards to inwards as shown in the video. Use a tissue paper to remove the gum. If you still find chewing gum stain, spray water and wipe with a spotting cloth inwards to outwards as shown in the video. Similarly, if you find any stains, use a tissue paper and check if the stain is dry. Spray water and wipe using a spotting cloth from outwards to inwards. If the stain has still not gone, apply appropriate chemical and wipe using a spotting cloth from outwards to inwards. After the cleaning process, remove the vacuum hose pipe from the machine. Take the vacuum machine to the room. Keep a dust bag and a garbage cover ready. To empty the dust bag inside the garbage cover, hold the dust bag inside the garbage cover and clean it using the brush. Dispose the garbage bag. Spray cleaning solution on a checked cloth inside and outside of the machine properly. After cleaning, fix the clean dust bag inside the machine. Wipe the lid of the machine and fix the lid on the machine. Clean the outer surface of the machine. Clean the wheels and the cable. Remember to clean the plug of the cable only with a dry cloth. After cleaning the machine, place it in the assigned place. Similarly, clean the accessories of the machine using a check cloth spray with cleaning chemical and place them in assigned places. Clean the vacuum hose with a checked cloth. Wind the hose properly and keep it in its assigned place after tying it. Finally, sign in the register.